Now moving on, data mining has been hailed as the new oil, and with technology rests seemingly on use of these technologies in the day-to-day lives. Atlancis Technology, Kenya-based tech company, is the first IT firm to adopt non-proprietary open-source computing and cloud infrastructure to provide cloud service on the continent. We are currently joined by the CEO, who is Daniel Njuguna. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Thank you very much for joining us this afternoon.
Thank
so
you for
how
having
does
me.
Open Compute project work?
So in brief, Open Compute is a project. It's actually an organization that was started in 2011 by Facebook. Facebook is a pioneer company that led to the establishment of Open Compute. So the Open Compute project is a group of companies that share the same interest of making computing accessible to the world in a cheaper and non-proprietary way. So the baseline for the organization is to make standards that can be shared with the rest of the computing community to build cheaper and affordable sustainable infrastructure. So this has been spearheaded by Facebook, but now Atlancis and many other companies are part of the project, where we contribute our designs and our ideas to the project. We can also be shared openly with other providers of the technology that can manufacture and build various solutions based on what the OCP, Open Compute, provides.
All right.
Yeah.
When you talk about technology as a whole, technology has taken the world by storm. So many people in the world, especially businesses, are moving to new technology models. So how do you think this particular model will help in terms of even increasing productivity at work?
So Atlantis looks basically at two key things when you are trying to advise our customers on why we should use Open Compute and this model of delivery. The total cost of ownership of a particular technology solution and the return on investment that our customers are looking for. So in terms of getting customers to adapt and gain value from our Open Compute products, we are leveraging on lowering the cost of ownership, the TCO, and increasing the return on investment for our customers. So the cost is a fraction of what you'll get from proprietary solutions, and the return on investment is probably 10 times better. So you are actually bringing very high-end technologies that are used in actually hyperscale data centers, the Facebooks, the Googles, and the Instagrams, and all these guys. We are bringing this kind of web-scale technology to customer data centers. So in this case, customer productivity is highly increased because they are lowering their costs, and they're also getting much more value that they'll get using proprietary technology. Okay,
when you talk about technology, the first thing in mind is data protection, and it's been quite a challenge to come up with a way in which you can protect consumers' data. So how do you think, just in leveraging on technology, how can this be capped?
So there's a lot of initiatives around the globe, and Africa and Kenya is not left behind, in terms of the governments and the authorities putting in enough measures to protect their citizens' data. Currently in Kenya, there is a data protection law in Parliament, not a law, it's a bill in Parliament that is being debated. And for us as users and creators of technology, we have a cloud platform that definitely needs to be protected and to assure our customers of their data is protected and safe. So there's various mechanisms that organizations need to put in place, but for ourselves, security and data protection is the most vital component of all our infrastructure. And coming back to OCP, because this is, Open Compute is world-proven technology. It's being used by, as I said, the hyperscale data centers. These are the data centers that manage all your Facebook, WhatsApps, and all that kind of data, and it's being used by other companies in the world. So we are bringing this locally so that also our customers and our users all over Africa can be comfortable that data protection is been considered and is taken care of.
All right, thank you very much, Daniel Njuguna. He's the CEO for Atlantis, and he's been able to talk about data protection and also technology in large.